Hello dear trader and welcome to this Bitcoin Heroes trading community. We are operating on Discord. I consider this best platform for education and trading, trading together. So that's why we are on Discord. In today's video, I want to show you what's the benefits of joining the group for the Heroes rank and Legend rank. We will be going over every single section we have on Discord so you can understand what you can learn from it. I will be talking about very briefly about my trading journey. Also the Bram, his other teacher here, so I'll be talking about him as well. I'll be showing you the structure of the Discord, as I said. And yes, what's the benefits of joining the group? Yes, because you have many educational groups in the world. So I want to show you why our group is very special, very specific, and is pretty good, for your trading journey. This is like a university of trading for you. So very quick words about me. So I'm called on server CB. This is like since childhood they called me like that. The real name is Patrick. I'm trading since 2018 on crypto markets, and prior to crypto markets trading, I was doing traditional markets trading a bit, but I was breaking a lot of rules of I was typical retail trader. 2018 was a changing year for me because it was heavy bear market in crypto, and trading in the bear markets is very specific. You can get a lot of lessons out of it because it's different market to bull market and large scale consolidations. So yeah, this was 2018. It was a massive lesson for me. I learned a lot. In 2019 I started to be slowly profitable. Some days I was profitable, then next day I lost those profits, so it was up and down for my P&L and results, but it was an encouraging year for me. And in 2020 I finally become more consistent and profitable, so it was really good. It was also it was not like bull market, but it was good trading conditions. I was focusing on trading Bitcoin. In my years, I spent very little time trading altcoins. This is why we are also Bitcoin heroes. Our big focus is on Bitcoin trading. We do altcoins and also traditional markets a bit, but Bitcoin is the main boss here and main focus because it carries the largest volumes, the best respect to technical analysis. The key levels are holding, if you know what you are doing, if you are doing trading them in orderflow. So Bitcoin heroes, and the Bitcoin will be focused for very long times. This is the thing. Many people in the world try to be like very, very versatile. They'll be showing you setups on gold, ES, everything. Why? You can be master of one asset and trade it well. You can trade it in multiple accounts. That's my approach. Be master of one asset and don't be mediocre trader on many assets. Okay. So, and in 2021 I established this trading group. I was thinking I already can pass decent information to traders. I already was using Exocharts and technical analysis principles. It was still not perfect, but I was already helping people. You can view this group as a very large shortcut to because I lost a lot of money during my learning, and also not only money but time. I lost time. So this group is saving your time and is one big shortcut to your progress. Also, this slide here is everything. Yes, I was struggling trader as when I was discretionary trader. This is the problem in the world. 90% of people are staying too discretionary, too heavy. You can see you don't have very solid trading system. You are not waiting for specific setups or rules to be met. You will be waking up and based on your mood, based on the mood of the market, based on what you read, you will be taking this is very random approach. Yes, it's trading on intuition. And we want to avoid that. We want to eliminate, like your job when you will be joining here is to eliminate luck, intuition. Like intuition into certain degree you can use, okay? You cannot be systematic trader 100%, but I like to flip this ratio. I like to teach people to be 70% systematic traders and leave 30% on intuition, gut feeling, okay? But your decisions must come from very strong strategies and trading system where order flow is ruling them all. order flow is one ring which is ruling everything. Yes, if you take the trade or not. Yes, very simple. Like just very simple example. You have level here, price is approaching it, and if you take the trade on a key level or not is like decided not by the price action only, not by the technical analysis, because you know you want to trade here. But if you pull the trigger, you need to decide from order flow, and order flow is all of those key tools we use for liquidity, for the order book heat maps. Exocharts is main execution tool. You are watching and deciding if you pull the trade or not. Sometimes not taking the trade is win on itself. Yes, and yeah, that's like simple that. So you will be learning that. So I just want to return back. So in 2021, I established the group, and over the years, we did some significant leaps and improvements on a group. We were adding some order flow tools, which we found are working well. Some of our templates we were tweaking for months, and for example, TRDR we were tweaking for years to find decent, thresholds. You can see even like my post. This is just one example out of thousands. But I said with TRDR, we are getting same support as when Bitcoin was at 86,000. I told traders we are looking for range stabilization. We are looking for long opportunities. Hundreds of millions of people are on the buy side. And this was coming from this, template I was building for some months. Yes, because you can do heavy backtesting with those templates. You will learn that as well in the group. You will learn everything you need to be complex trader. Let's return back to this slide. So your job when you join our group is to switch from discretionary approach into systematic one. You will create rules and only take trades when the market conditions met a set of criteria. It's possible. This I would not agree. Yes, it's not that. I mean, the journey itself is challenging and difficult. Don't have unrealistic expectations. You will be really like crazy trader in few weeks. Proper learning takes months. This is University of Trading. It's not gonna be happening overnight, so be aware of that. You can go trading memes in 1 week with some trend lines and pitchforks. Of course, very likely at the end you will be losing all of the money, or you can take more difficult path, but it's well worth it because it's gonna set you for life. These things you will be learning, you will be taking with yourself to any asset in the world. Okay. You are searching for a combination of information that yields consistently profitable results in a market where price movements are the results of thousands of participants. This is why most traders use combination of rules and discretion. As I say, discretion should be much smaller. And currently I'm like 80% systematic trader and only 20% is discretionary side of me. I would consider this perfect combo. We already like thousands of people went over the group over the years, maybe not thousands, but over 1,000 I would say, and some of them become nicely profitable. It's definitely much higher ratio than you are getting on like general education in the world. We know 90% of traders are losing. We get this data from exchanges and from prop firms, and it's just fact. But I would say in our group is much different. I would say more than 50% of our traders become profitable. I'm in touch with many of them in the DMs, so I know their trading journey. This is the advantage of the group. Like the group is not huge because we focus only on the proper teaching and trading. Another benefit of the group is when someone writes me DM or to the Bram, we will reply. So you are getting some additional help on your trading journey. And I will be showing you more sections where you can also get the help. So you see, and let's return back to this. So systematic trader is looking like you have 3 strong pillars you need to do. You will be managing your trades. I mean, you will be journaling your trades so you can build your statistics and you see where you are strong trader and weak trader. That's one of the things. Second things, you will be backtesting the all order flow tools we have. You can be backtesting when conditions, like when the trade become really winning trade and what were the conditions for it, so you can build backtesting systems. And the third pillar is you will be using strong order flow tools for your decisions. And like we already saved a lot of time for you because you'll be getting lots of templates. I would say you will be getting like 50 templates in total. 20 for Exocharts, 10 or 15 for TRDR, then Tradinglite. So you are already set, like you don't need to do this tweaking. You just click off the button and you take the template. So, and then you will be applying the same things with each. So that's the advantage. And now a few words about Bram. So Bram is, he used to be like one of the first members in the group. He used to be my student, but that's the beauty of the world. Sometimes the student can be even better than the teacher. It was like roller coaster. Sometimes Bram was doing better than me. I think we are pretty even now. You know, this is like this is one of the benefits of the group. With Bram, we are trying to compete to provide the best care for the group. So it's like healthy competition, and only the group and members benefits. Yeah, we want to be best. We want to be better trader every single day we wake up. So this is fantastic. Bram is one of the few, only one of the few people in the world who improve my own trading. So he deserves same teacher role as me. He's equal to me. This is not yes, ego can be problem in trading, but I try to keep ego at bay, and Bram truly deserves same spot as me, as he is really beautiful trader. He brought a lot of innovations into the group, order flow tools. He was doing heavy backtesting. So the why group is where it is also thanks to the Bram. So big thanks to the Bram. And if you join the group, make sure to write him as well DMs. So he's got this specific backtesting done on TRDR Exocharts. So make sure to distribute the messages equally. Okay, so Bram, you can count. He will be helping you as well. He's also doing one-to-one education. I personally don't have time. Currently, I'm pulling from trades. If I would do one-to-one, I would need to ask a lot of money, like just for 1 hour. So I rather do my own trading and help the group globally with my posts and video posts. That's the best way. And if you want one-to-one education, then Bram is your choice. He's mentoring currently multiple traders, and yes, it's going well for them. They are accelerating the journey because one-to-one mentoring is just saving you time. Same like group is saving you time. I think we can now go over each section. Some of them I will be clicking on the section showing you it, but some I can't because there are YouTube links for educational modules, so I don't want to link them. So let's go for it. So when you join our Discord, you can read Getting Started. Here are the differences between the ranks. I will be going over them soon. You can read disclaimer and rules of the server. That's fine. If you want to pay for the membership, you will use this section here. Okay, so you will use those links. You can use PayPal or card. Currently, we don't accept crypto because EU regulations are very tight. So maybe in the future we might, but not for now. You can also read the testimonials from members. This is nice. Some people are sharing their feedback, so it's really good. Here are some Bybit tutorial tips. This is also good section if you want to see all the links to tools we are using. So you can find them here for order flow. Some of the links are linked to the group. So if you use them, you will support the group. So thank you very much for that. Also, if you want to trade under the group in your video exchange and you will use the link, you can actually use this to discount your membership when you trade under the group, or you can even have it for free. So it's up to you what you do. Okay, so we can start with the legend rank and then we'll be moving to heroes and all the sections. So the main difference between the ranks, so the legend rank, one of the big differences. On legend, with legends, we do talk, at least we try to do it once a week, okay? I try to do it 2 times a month, and then Bram is doing it once a month, and 1 more week we sometimes give time to one of our legend rank members so we can host the talk. I might do it more in the future. I will see how big demand for the legend talk is. So once we do legend talk, and on the legend talks you can ask any question, I usually do trading analysis. If trade opportunity shows up, we can take trade together as well. And if there are questions, they will be answered. So this is the only way how you can like talk to me directly or to the Bram if you are not taking one-to-one mentoring with him. Time is very, very precious for me. So again, these legend archives are only, these legend talks are only options to do interactions with me like that. Of course, I will reply you in DM, but so yeah. But remember, the big benefits of the group is you will be getting DM replies as well on your journey. I will be giving you some tailored trading plans, what you can improve on your trading. So once we finish the talk is going into the legend archives. We actually carry the archive since 2021, so you can even see our own, like it's even funny to watch when I watch myself in 2021, when I was still, like the group was still young. Yes, we were not using as many tools, not as good strategies. We improved massively. So these like past 2 years of legend archives, some of them are really good. They were targeted on very specific topic. Yes, first hour of it. So a lot of value is hidden in the legend archives. Yes, the second main benefit of legend rank is question helpline is much more quiet than trading helpline, and it's got priority for your, if you ask question here, I will be replying you here with more priority. Another big benefit why people are actually in the legend rank, some of them are in the legend rank just for that, is I share my charts. We can go to announcements. These links will be different now, but I go into when I finish my charting on Monday, is usually when I prepare trading plan for whole week. Yes, I'm preparing trade areas where I'm planning to take the trades. So I'm sharing Bitcoin main chart and then Bitcoin trade zones chart. We can go see what I mean. So one of the links will lead you here, and you will get access to all my trading folders. Everything what's important for Bitcoin on local time frame, medium time frame, and high time frame. So all types of traders are covered here. Yes, you will be turning on folders you need. You can this is helpful because you will be like, it's worth it to take a legend rank at least for a month, because you can get access to my charting and learn from my folders, learn to see how I'm structuring, everything from AMT, from all the core strategies we use. You'll be seeing what I see. And then there is a second link where let me show you day trading. So this is the link where I'm putting everything what matters from technical analysis we use in our strategies. Yes, our core strategies you probably know already from videos, but are AMT, market structure, support, resistance, supply demand nodes, anchor VWAPs, naked point of controls, volumes, high volume nodes, low volume nodes, single prints, all those key things from the technical analysis. One of the benefits of the access to my charts is you will be getting and you will be seeing my trade areas. These are trade areas where I'm seeing highest, where is highest chance of market reacting. And when you, for example, are in long from here, you will be looking to take profit into trade area, and you also look for short. It's not guaranteed you will be getting trades out of the trade area. Market can slice over any market, over any area. But orderflow will lead you if you take the trade or not. So, and of course my guidance. So when we arrive into my area, I already remind our traders we are in our trade area and what I plan to do. So you see win rate on these trade areas is very crazy. It's currently for the past 2 years is over 80%, because I'm tracking, I'm journaling every single trade area I provide to the group. You can also see our group is never going to be signal group. Of course, in Bitcoin TI chat, I do heavy guidance for our traders. I often tell them when I'm planning to enter into trade, when I'm taking the trade, like 1 minute after, so it's almost like signal. But the group focus is not gonna be signal. Yes, I want you to learn trading. I will not be here forever. I'm actually I can already retire, by the way. It's now end of 2024 because another bull market made me even more profit. So, but I'm here for passion. I'm here because I love this game. I love the passion, and I want to leave some legacy behind me. That's it. We are not in this world to greedily gather money for you and your family. No, the purpose of life is to, like, improve human race and leave something behind you. Yeah, so that's going to be my legacy, to truly show how market operates, because 90 or 95% of the world education is crazy. These people, I can already see, like, they cannot even trade properly. Even what they are teaching, they'll be talking about 50 minutes on about one trade line or about one channel. That's not how market operates. Yeah, I'm showing you one example why order flow is, like, beating any technical analysis. So you see, this is the this is the trade area chart. You will be getting access as legend rank. Usually every Monday is posted here. Okay, so archives event overview. We also have general chat. It's also much more quiet. This is not primary. This is not primary section where we are doing conversations. Sometimes I'm sharing more personal stuff here, like pictures and so on, because I'm very protective of my privacy. You see, I don't use any camera or something like that. This is the, like, if you want to learn from me, you don't need to see my my face. Okay, so I like to like this, but in this section I'm sharing some videos sometimes, or pictures. If you scroll back, you can find things about me if you want to really know, because even me, when I'm listening to someone, I want to connect him to face, so you can find pictures and you can connect me. Okay, so this is the legend rank. So you see few big benefits. I cannot say I think this welcome video I'll be using for 1 or 2 years, so I cannot say what's going to be prices, but currently $89 is for heroes per month, and legend rank costs 119. So you literally pay for our time with interactions with you, and for my charting, for very precise charting, which is taking me few hours at the beginning of the week. So if you want to, like, if you are like a new trader or advanced trader or even expert trader, heroes rank is also fine to join at the beginning, because 95% of the education on the group is in the heroes rank. So you will be accessing to most things. Announcement section, here I usually do big announcements. This time it was Black Friday deals, or when I'm going live streaming some charts. Yes, so this is the section for that. Then we have the video update section. This is public section, so you will be seeing my post. I'm posting here when I'm sharing public YouTube video. These videos also carry, like, if you have no budget, you are a student or something, it's okay. You can still learn from our group. It's more slow way, but in the public videos I show most of the things I use in the group. There are no secrets, so you can learn from here and watch this section. We are also, like, so this is the question helpline I was mentioning, but I just want to finish this for legend rank. You will be getting help here on any question you ask on order flow, live, whatever. You are getting that help, and same section exists for the heroes rank. So if you have questions on all trades, trade setups, technical analysis, order flow, anything, you will be getting help here. So we are getting nice support. Even when I don't, like, I most of the time reply, and Bram as well, but even our experienced traders are giving advices. That's beautiful. I actually, what I love the most about Bitcoin Heroes, in over the years, we had no toxic environment. We had no toxic members. Is no degen retail trading here, I would say, like no people trading with 100x leverage. It's very, very beautiful community. That's the beauty of it. Like, it's nice and calm, same like what we teach. So we teach systematic approach to trader, because in this you can see yourself as a modern monk, either as a modern monk, and you are waiting for conditions to take the trade. Like, for example, Asia and London doesn't offer as many trade opportunities compared to New York. So overall, people waiting for New York session because they know they will be getting massive volatility spike with volumes, a lot of trades. So that's one of the example how you are waiting for your setups. CB, so my trading corner here. This is section where I want to highlight you if I do some major updates to the group. If I'm sharing the trade areas, for example, as here, yes, to the upside or to the downside. But overall group updates, I don't want you to miss, are coming from here. For example, recently I was spending 3 times making educational slides for multiple sections. So of course I needed to, notify people. So yeah, CB trading corner, very important. Bram also has own corner, so you don't miss his view on the market for current day or for the current week. You can see also the Bram is taking, I'm also doing some video education as well, but Bram is excellent with the live trading. When he's taking the trade, he's also doing the breakdown of the trade, and he's showing you what was important from order flow, from metrics, and also combined with technical analysis. Look at that. This alone has massive value. So, and yes, this is, I have no words. You know, we complement with Bram. My strategy, like we are going into the same destination with Bram, but we are taking a bit different road. Like, not only bit different, because our strategies are very similar. So Bram is sometimes putting significance on other things than I do, but that's the beauty of it. You can see, like, when you're a trader, you will be developing your own system, and you will have your own specifics a bit, but the core ideas stay same. So we only like on minor differences in our trading. For example, he loves to use bookmap, yes, bookmap, and I don't like it. I like to use Tradinglite. So he's teaching you more about bookmap. Book is also very good education, because bookmap is used on the traditional markets. When I was trading traditional markets year back, and I was testing it, I was using bookmap a lot. It's really great. It's like universal tool for it's universal tool for execution. We also have macro fundamentals section. Here I'm educating traders, because I'm not only trader currently, but also investor. And investing is harder than trading. So it's actually taking me 15 years to learn proper investing. Is because you have so much noise in the world. So I'm teaching people on macro, what matters on macro. Bitcoin is not trading alone in some dark corner. Bitcoin is affected by the macro situations. For example, when we get global recession, no matter how Bitcoin is hard asset and there is huge demand for it, believe me, it's gonna be correcting a lot. It's gonna be crashing with other equities. If gold is crashing, everything will crash, even Bitcoin. So you need to understand if macro situation is, what's the macro situation? So nice section. This is a section for other assets. Not as much activity is going on here. You can pause anything, because most people trade crypto here anyway. Stock market. There are some posts about stock market. We have traders who are trading stock market, so you'll be seeing posts from them. Like our veteran rank, he's not shown here, but he's Ray, and he's focusing on he's trading equities a lot, so you'll be seeing posts from here, like here, up there. We also have altcoins TA chat. So majority of the group is focused on Bitcoin trading, but we also have altcoin traders, and there is activity here going on in this group, in this section as well, for altcoins. Sometimes I'm doing some big posts on altcoins as well, what matters from macro and from technical analysis. Another section, so this is where I'm usually posting. I'm posting only charts here. When I finish my charting on Monday, I'm posting here also when I'm seeing something nice I want to post. So only charts here. You can also post here, just not much commentary. This is the section where the most activity happens in a group, Bitcoin tier chat. This is where we take trades together. This is where I'm planning my trades. This is not a section where you ask questions. Make sure to use trading helpline sections, yes, for that. This is where, yes, this is like hundreds of thousands of messages are done here and trades together. You can see everything. When I'm taking trades, I'm showing you why I'm taking the trades, where I plan to take profit, everything you are getting. Like some trades are literally signals, even when we are not a signal group, because I want you to learn from, from my direct trading and from Bram direct trading. So you see how market develops live. Look at that, yes. So huge activity coming here. General chat is just general chat. It's public, so you can interact here with all members of the Discord. Currently we have 6,000 members, over 6,000 members. Yes, in paid ranks I would say it's like 200 to 300, and like on higher legend rank and heroes rank, and the rest of the group are just free members who are watching public sections. We also have a hero supplemental section. So here I'm posting on-chain data. If you are a long-term investor, if you are not only like if you use on-chain as a confluence for you, And if you are hodler, then you will be getting value out of this section as well. I'm using only what matters. On-chain is hard to use for direct execution, is mainly for this dollar cost averaging and dollar cost averaging out when you are taking profit into, like for example now into 100Ks, because a lot of indicators on on-chain were signaling at least temporary top on on-chain, so that's how you do it. But you cannot execute here because these are massive time frames they usually use. So you are learning here a lot about Bitcoin itself, why it operates like it operates. We also have swing trade section. I will be posting here actually more because I'm completing swing trade section for like how to trade just only as a swing trader, so there will be more posts here, but I'm doing this section only 4-hour time frame and higher, big targets for Bitcoin. We also have psychology section. So one thing which you need to face yourself, of course you will be getting our support, but you need to be really you need to have stable mind for your trading and respect the rules. I made section for money management, so you will be learning those rules there, but this is also section we have for psychology. So people, I'm sharing some stories if like if something happened, but it's always anonymous, so people can learn from it. Yes, for example here in psychology I put some bull market rules, even though it's not so like just psychology, but yeah. So this is the section. This is order of learning. You will be, when you join the group, when you join Hero Rangon Higher, you will be heading into this section. I will be linking you this section as well, and you can go by the order of learning in this section and learn first technical analysis, and then you will be moving into the order flow tools and all the tutorials for it. Yes, so this is beautiful. You will not miss a single section because our group is, our Discord is pretty vast and wide. So yes. We also have gold nugget section. So if someone makes really nice post, then we are tracking it. I need to go back into history, like when it's gonna be December, I will be for the past year I'll be pulling some nice posts I was making, so people can learn out of them as well, because they are in Bitcoin THL. Look at here, so you can see and learn a lot about this. Of course we have hundreds of hours of educational modules, but also situational posts which carry large large value are posted here, so you don't miss them. Daily routine, so some sections I will not be opening now because there are links there, so I don't want to leak them. In the daily routine section you will be seeing my daily routine, which I do every single day when I sit to my trading table, so you see what matters, how to analyze market. We also have weekly charting, so here I have the example when I'm doing my weekly charting analysis, technical charting. So yes, this is, you will see me here how I'm charting and preparing it for my daily routine trading plan. Group charting tutorials is also a similar section. You will see how I'm charting. Here is the trade examples library. Here is the trade examples library. I can show you like here. Yes, like this. When we are getting high probability setup, and I think people can repeat it after me anytime when it happens in the future, I'm making video for that. Yes, I actually deleted all videos from 2021 2 and 3, and I started recording with Karen Loich in 2024. So this is really great for this is really great section for you to learn a lot, similar to Bram videos. Yes, when I'm taking trade, I'm showing you everything what matter for that trade. Stop loss strategy, so you can learn about stop loss strategy here a bit as well, but stop loss is very situational, so you'll be learning from direct trading as well. We have alerts infrastructure here. I'm showing you how to set alerts in this section. Advanced tips, let me check. Yes, I will be showing you just one example. So in this section I'm showing you some advanced tips. For example, this one was about trading the news. There is another one about, I think, the gaps. So yeah, it's just some nice bonus tips. Here are the group templates. Here I cover, this is like also this section I made in 2024, how to properly trade breakouts. So beautiful section. Educational slides. So I'm doing the educational slides as well. Some people prefer to learn from, instead of videos, they like static form of learning. So text and visuals combined together into this slide. So I'm doing this so people learn better from some nice setup. So educational slides are getting added in this section. Then we are getting into the more advanced section. So these are for technical analysis. You will be learning about VWAP closes strategy. Is really good. There is high chance you will close naked VWAP from previous day. So you will learn here. We did some nice backtesting. Anchor VWAP learning section, fantastic. We use Anchor VWAP as a core in our strategy. You know, they are really, really strong, much better than EMAs, because EMAs don't track the volume. They only track the time, so that's not good. We want to see also the volume incorporated into the price action along with time. Swing failure patterns, you will be learning about them. And then CVD, I have CVD section here with examples. I made a lot of examples how to watch proper CVD setups. It's powerful, especially in bull and bear markets. We see a lot of CVDs. In more range conditions, it's a bit less, but in trending markets, CVD is very good confluence for you. Section about order blocks, so you can learn them. For our order blocks are working really good on Bitcoin. That's one of the highest win rates, so you will be learning that. General strategies, here are some like more general videos. Fair value gaps also here. Here also in this section I'm showing you how I'm using limit orders. Is very like always, if you can, try to trade with market on with like live with market orders. Limit order is pinnacle of trading, is like cherry on top, but you need to have really strong strategy to know where you will be like scaling into orders, where you will be leaving orders when you go sleep or you cannot trade. The stop loss invalidation is the hardest challenge with limit trading, because you need to do it like wider, you need to use also smaller leverage. It's just much better when you can be around and trading live, yes, and see decisions, make decisions from order flow. Another section, this is for journaling, so you will learn how to journal your trades, what matters, because journaling is super powerful. You need to do that so you can see where you are doing mistakes, where you are doing well. It's gonna help you. Statistics, very interesting section, and we are posting, we have backtesting cooperation with the other guy called Minoma, and he is doing heavy backtesting on some lot of things Bitcoin is doing, and you need to watch that sections, because I'll be adding more in the future. One example, New York has high chance of taking out. Yeah, I don't want to leak this because this is very powerful, but you can already see example here. Here I'm showing you my account structures, so how I'm structuring accounts for scalper, day trade and swing trade, and my hodl positions. So you will be learning that. Money management, this is super crucial if you are doing well as a trader but still using high leverage, wide stop loss, not respecting stop loss, many of those mistakes I was doing in the past. This is section for you. I made a lot of rules here, and I also did a video, like 2-hour long video, going over my mistakes and what steps I was taking to protect my capital and also to not break the rules. You can do that. You can rewire your brain a bit. With this section, you will do that. We also have section for Okotoki. I will be showing you what Okotoki is, so you understand this is the tool I'm using along with other tools, because I can quickly see where is the massive demand or supply on Bitcoin. For example, within few seconds I see 100,000 is protected with hundreds of millions on the sell side. If Bitcoin starts pushing on some crazy news, I know it's gonna be big battle here, very likely huge rejection, which I will take for a trade. Same to the downside, we are seeing heavy protection, again hundreds of millions, you can see here. On Binance futures, on the perpetual markets, we are seeing thousands of Bitcoins bidding on 90,200 to 89,800. And also spot markets here, first two columns are protecting. So this is very, like, if it's fast volatility in the market, I can see in a few seconds where all exchanges which matter for me are aligning with their supply and demand nodes, with real walls, with real buy or sell walls. So that's Okotoki tutorial for it. Then we are using Eger Trade. Eger Trade is this tool here. We have multiple templates for this. The benefit of this, when I turn the audio on, is you can hear global order flow. And yeah, it's very useful. I have tutorials for it. We share our templates. One of the templates is for liquidations as well, so you see people when they are in maximum pain. So again, another important thing, live trading library. I will be adding more trades in the future here for live trading. So that's also a useful section. We also have symmetry tools. We have channels, pitchforks. This is all, like I have main Confluence for trading, secondary, and then like tertial. And this is tertial Confluence for me. So channels. Yeah. So and later, like when you will be going in the order of learning, you will be learning about auction market theory, market structures, and high volume nodes. This is one of the big cornerstones of our strategy. Let me show you, for example, cheat sheets so you can see what scenarios Bitcoin is trading. This is extremely important to learn this section because you can take this education into most assets in the world. For example, when I'm doing hodling and investing, I'm applying AMT, market structure, high volume nodes, and anchor VWAPs together to get really great entries on Nvidia, like long-term positions on Coinbase, on Amazon, Apple. So this is really universal knowledge for you. Bitcoin is spending 80 to 90, 70 to 80% in range. So you also will be learning how to trade range properly. Yes, range bound conditions. So you are buying the lows, selling the highs. You are adding to your short at the highs, you're adding to your long at the lows, you are rotating the range. Bitcoin loves rotations. It's one of the most technical assets in the world, and this is section for it. So and of course you need to learn volume. Everything in trading is about volume, so you have section for volume, and then market structure zones, of course, supply and support and resistance, key levels, very important. So as we move down, you will have standalone tutorials for the Exocharts. This is the main, we have main tutorials here. I think it's over 20 videos. I actually recently made, I could show you just sneak peek, look at that. I did also the text form of education for footprints, so people understand. Again, some people prefer this style of learning. So this was done. Then we have TPO market profile, another section. Exochart sheets. There are some very nice information about Exo. Just section about imbalances and finish auction. And then also open interest education for Exocharts is also here as well. In this section we cover everything, net longs, net shorts, delta, volume. It's beautiful. And then we have access, you will get access to the templates, over 20 templates. I think it's 30 actually, maybe the full package, because 20 templates are for web version, and if you are desktop trader on Exocharts, we have 10 beautiful templates on Exo. I can show you some of them. So this is desktop, one I'm using just for the session box. I like, what's my approach in trading? I like to use sometimes the simple template just for one thing, so it's not cluttered. So some specific desktop templates, maybe I'll need to restart. Is it gonna show? Yes, it's gonna show. This is one of our custom templates. It's beautiful. I was tweaking some thresholds for liquidations, so you get nice reversals out of them. Then we have the delta template. Delta is also a very, very crucial part of trading, so some delta reversals are happening like over here. Also, Bitcoin loves to be trading standard deviations. Every single day market resets, it's gonna be here. The red area is standard deviation 2, I think standard deviation 3, sorry. And so, these standard deviations serve so you don't buy the highs and don't short the lows. You actually look for opportunities, and they are working great in the range conditions. In trends, you can be riding this. So this is another great template. Now I also use, we also have specific weekly template. If you are swing and day trader, you will be needing this weekly time frame. And we also have same template for month. It can load, and I can show you some of the templates for Exocharts over here. You will be getting also with the joining in our group. This is the main scalping template we are using, absolutely amazing. We made all tutorials for this. It's showing you most important data, net longs, net shorts, delta, volume. You are watching trap traders here, you are watching those big reversals when massive absorptions are happening. Everything you need is in this template. This is very complex template. Most of the people in the world, they don't use such templates, and that's a big mistake, okay? We also have this template for day traders, where you watch if you filled enough relative volume. The best reversals in the market are happening when we are getting a massive relative volume spikes. Yes, like over here. So this is template for that. You also watch trap traders in this template. This is our AMT template. As you will be learning AMT in previous modules, you will know this is one of the most important templates for Bitcoin, because this is also used by traditional markets. It's set on 30-minute time frame. We are watching the daily naked point of controls out of it, and many more. So you can see like how many templates I have here. Okay, many templates you will be getting, we use on daily basis. Okay, we can move down. Exhaustive price action. I can actually show you this initial column. I will stop here and here so you can read it fully. Like over the years, we identified the most like the best winning trades and reversals in the market are happening when we are getting mad, when we are reaching exhaustive price action parameters. Exhaustion is when market literally destroys one side of the market participants. So you are seeing massive delta spikes, like you can see of everything here what you are seeing. This often happens like everything at the same time. Once you see that, you can get local exhaustive price action reversals or medium or high time frame. If you get medium time frame and higher, this often sets low for some time, like for days or weeks. So I made a standalone educational module on that. Look at that. You will be learning what is delta, how to use it, volume, and how to use it, liquidations, and how to use it. Look at open interest. Like open interest, I studied for years. Is one of my specialty. Everything comes from open interest as well, combined with volume. Absorptions, you will be learning about them. Liquidity nodes, trap traders, inefficiencies, velocity reversal, and when to not take the trade. This is also important. The not taking the trade, like when you take the bad trade, is very bad for you, and is better stay away. Then you will save and protect your capital. This is like once you learn exhaustive price action, you will have full strategy how to trade exhaustive price action, no matter what system you use. Is fantastic, you know. A lot of our traders improved when I was releasing this. So then you have standalone tutorial for the Tradinglite. So we have Tradinglite tutorial here. I cannot show because there are links. And then I'm also making Tradinglite tips. Those are very advanced. Like this is coming from. So this is not. This is a bit discretionary side of me, but I'm also combining with systematic approach, because I'm showing you how big scenarios occur in Tradinglite, what we are focusing on them. So this is an amazing section for you. And this is also Tradinglite, what you'll be using, yes. Let me zoom out. Here we are. So Exocharts and Tradinglite are execution tools. You will be taking trades with them. We have some of them. Some of the tools are supportive, so you can stay in trade for longer, or you will be cautious and take profit. But now Tradinglite is execution tool. For example, even like 1 day ago, we've seen hundreds of millions of buyers stabilizing below the low. So a lot of people, when we approach into this area and they are seeing thousands of Bitcoins on a buy side on a Binance, they are starting to go long and they are putting stop losses behind the walls, because the walls not only protect, one of the purpose of walls, and when you see them, is to protect your stop loss. So, and this is also explained here in one of the scenarios. But yeah, it's generally, you watch interactions with the passive market participants. You watch, now market is super easy. You watch Binance mainly. Yes. So we watch both Binances, spot and perpetuals. And it's maximum, it's like, this is a game-changing tool. When you go and join our group, yes, and you come into the Bitcoin tier chat, you will see like 70% of my posts are coming from Exocharts combined with Tradinglite. That's how important it is. Most of my decisions are coming from Tradinglite, so of course it needs very like proper educational materials here. Then we have TRDR. So here you have multiple videos from me and Bram learning what is TRDR, and then in other sections we have TRDR templates. I cannot show both sections because again links are there, are hundreds of hours of work will be leaked like that. So TRDR is your master tool for day trades and swing trades. Let me show you how many templates we are watching. Look at that. We have 10 main templates for the Bitcoin heroes. TRDR is one of the most underrated tools, while is one of the strongest tools there is in the market. 1 hour time frame. I will be simply explaining like just one explanation for you. For example, one of the key things you cannot see in other tools is Bitcoin, like this main template for the bands. The bands are showing you the ratios between longs and shorts in the order books. These are passive market participants, so it's gonna show you all these people who put resting orders in the order books, yes. And with TRDR, you can do heavy backtesting when in the past the big thresholds were reversing the market. I will give you just one example. Like we find out when we are getting blue bands in the TRDR in our tweak template, there is 85% chance market will go into the local range and give you day trade and swing trade bounce. These people are running the show on Bitcoin. Hundreds of millions on the buy or sell side in those walls are stopping market. Why this works? Because we are using aggregated data. We are using every single exchange in the world and we are watching thresholds together, because that's the beauty of crypto. Crypto is the most transparent trading environment in the world. It's opposite of what the traditional structures are telling you. We can aggregate every single exchange in the world and see, do we have massive buyers? Do we have massive sellers in the regions? Because they are acting together. This is not conspiration. They just act together, these big whales. You want to go with whales, yes? So we are getting, last time we got the blue bands, for example, we've got them on the 86,000. Look at that. Since that moment, massive bounce. Yesterday, we've got the blue bands. Look at that. We are in the range, local range, and we are starting to bounce. So at least when you see the blue bands, you know, based on past 2 years, for example, we went into range. So you start to trade the range. If you are short from here, you book profits because you are seeing those bands. Yes, you know, market is very likely stabilized. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, just with this template alone and TRDR swing trades, I earned, like, some trades I pulled were like 1 week of active trading for me. That's how powerful it is. So you need to learn this. If you don't have time for scalping, you need TRDR in your arsenal. There is you cannot go around this. This is crazy. And we have many nice templates. For example, this template is showing you what's the fuel in the market. Yes, look at that massive selling. This is aggregated delta selling over almost 3 billion in these moves down. What's gonna happen now? It's gonna give you symmetry. Once the market starts pushing like that, you will know it's very likely you will reach some big thresholds back here. Yes, into the 2 billion if you were selling off. Market is attracting new money in the bull market or bear market, of course in the Bitcoin, but like in shorter time frames, you have same money in the system. If the same money is sold 2 billions into here, they will need to rebuy back as soon as their invalidations are getting hit, and you will be getting thresholds here. So for example, this template is gonna tell you what's the fuel in the system and how much potential there is for your trade. Yes, with these aggregated thresholds, because also 2 billion was sold on exchanges, or 3 billion here. Someone was taking other side of that trade. Someone is institutions, sovereign entities, funds, whales, everybody is doing other side. So they are filled, and market participants who are market selling into these walls will be getting destroyed once you push up. So absolutely amazing template, and we have more like that. So TRDR is, you need TRDR. Liquidity. So liquidity is crucial for, I mean, it's not execution tool like direct execution tools, but it's very supportive tool, because with liquidity you can predict where market has market has most of the stop losses and liquidations. So you'll be estimating where are the maximum pain points for the market. And market tends to reverse. Like once you take liquidity, market tends to reverse. I have nice tutorials in this section, and then I'm doing also some educational slides like internal liquidity. You can pause this video and read about this. So you see our group, there is no group like ours currently. There are other groups who are actually teaching from this group and pass to their members. We are leading the education in the world on the Bitcoin. I'm focused just on Bitcoin with Bram, and we are doing the best job, because all these key tools, and I will not be here forever, you know, until this is my passion, but I'm not sure for how long I will stay and learn the people. Maybe family is gonna come and I will have less time. So this is the thing, you know, you should join trading with us until like while we are here, because I'm not only teaching people, but they can see, a lot of our traders see I'm making good money on these trades. And yes, I'm trading with you. You cannot cheat this, you know, you cannot cheat this like you are not trading, because you will be quickly uncovered. You are posting shit. So you need to trade for yourself. You need to be really good trader to learn others. Otherwise they will find over you. It's not true. And we trade together, we make profit together. So liquidity you need to learn. Trading different. I actually made public tutorials, so go into the YouTube if you want and check public tutorial on trading different. I like it because you have free tools for liquidity, tens of them. You have some paid tools, but trading different does this best. They have the best algorithms to calculate stop losses and liquidations for people, as you can see here. So, you know, I use them, and also you are moving in the liquidity, so you can move charts, and that's different. Another section we have is global macro. So we often watch equities, yields. We are watching some supportive factors if Bitcoin will be doing well for particular day or not. And this is the section I'm building. Also, Ray is working on a macro section for his own, so he will be having section to educate you on that as well. We have vocabulary here, information cycles. I'm sharing where I'm actually learning myself for macro, because macro is part of the investing. If you understand macro well, you can make really good money on investing too. Making money in trading is one thing, but to not lose them with your investments is second thing. And I'm doing hell of a good job past 2 years. My investing, I think I pulled like over 50% every year, just on average, with crypto and equities portfolio. So twice more than is average for most of the hedge funds. Actually, hedge funds not even pull such amounts, even the best. But yeah, market was pretty generous, but still crazy gains. Another section I'm building is for high time frame trading. So this is so by the time you're watching this video, this is going to be complete. I'm building this for people who don't have much time, so they can do only day trading and swing trading. For example, here on-chain is already completed. You can add on-chain to that, and I'm still building order flow and technical analysis for that. Because when you don't have time for trading, you can limit your, you don't need to be watching Exocharts as much. You need to watch more other things and other templates. So in this section, I will be showing people like full guidance how I would approach trading if I would have not much time for trading. Yes, templates for TRDR and other tools we use, just a bit different. It's like, yes, you need to take that path if you are busy. And we know most people are actually busy. You have job and family, and you are student. So you need to find some solutions for that, which I also outline in this section. We also have prop firm sections. I generally tell people to, before they become consistent and profitable, they might trade with the prop firms. I can count on one hand the true prop firms which are paying people. 97% of prop firms are just scammers. They will never pay you out, but there are a few which are consistent. They have big reputation. Some of them, like one of them, well, I can actually show you. It's just, there are no affiliate links here because I don't care. I don't care about that from them. But you know, if you are learning trader and you are not consistent and you still want to learn some good habits with trade management, then FTMO and Topstep are only two options currently. I would suggest to try, because other prop firms you cannot trust them. They will find reason to not pay you out. We also have prop firms chat, so if people are asking, your mission is to become consistent trader, ideally with our trading group or on your own, is up to you. Once you build enough equity, you should pull that equity and make your own trading account on proper exchange and trade that, because you still trade with the rules here and you cannot grow much. Yeah, so because FTMO biggest account, for example, is just 100, so it's 200,000, but in the real terms it's $10,000. That's your maximum daily loss. So, and if you want to trade properly, you need much bigger accounts so you can change your life and your family around you. So yeah, that's another section we run. So this is free order flow section. This is at the bottom of the group. If you are not hero rank or legend rank, you will see these sections. I made free order flow tutorials. If people are on tight budgets, they don't have as much money to invest into proper tools, you can use free alternatives. You have Atas, CoinAng, Velodata, CoinGlass, MobChart, other tools. CoinAng is very useful, Velodata as well, and also MobCharts. With those three, you can build some nice templates and don't need to pay for some tools, but later on you should switch to them. Free alternatives will never be as good as paid tools. Your job on the market is to get advantage over most of the market participants, and you need the best tools for that. This is in the end player to player PvP game. So if someone lost money, you made money. That's the thing. If you lost money, someone made money on you, and you need to, to be the best informed trader. This is also a section for basic free trading course. When you join the group, you have access to these few sections for free. So these are like basics you can learn about: market structure, Fibonacci, swing failure pattern, trading vocabulary, and VWAP. Simple. We also have free education area here, few sections. This is very basic. General area for trading setups, where people post their trade setups and some tips for terminals and so on. And just some few general sections. Okay, so I showed you the group structure. So if you join us, I don't think you will regret that decision. Currently, when people are joining us, I would say 85% of people are never leaving and they are staying with us. Okay, and the group size is still nice. As I said, we have around 200 active paying members, so it's not crazy like thousands of members, and we would never allow that anyway. I would probably limit the growth of the group. Not sure what's going to be that limit, maybe 500 members in total. Yeah, because we don't want like too much noise in the chats, too much like retail trading. So that's the thing. Yes, I will keep an eye on. So when you join us, it's really worth it. You will be getting shortcut to, you will save yourself a lot of money and pain, the pain I was going over in the past, and you will be getting very good tweaked templates and tutorials. And I think it's really worth it for you to join. And if you don't want to join, you can still continue watching public YouTube videos. So I hope I was talking about everything. How is this group structured? In total, I would say there are over 120 educational videos currently for multiple things. Yeah, I think I discussed everything. So remember, traders, if you are struggling, you need to switch from, you need to go from discretionary trading into systematic one, so you finally build your strong strategy and system, and you will bring order to your life. And this is the key to become consistent and profitable trader. Once that happens, you will be very happy. So thank you for watching, traders, and just join us and learn with us, trade with us. You will not regret it. Bye.